Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by validating prerequisites. Confirm your carrier plan permits tethering and that you have sufficient mobile data. Once done, enable the mobile hotspot on the source phone and create a clear SSID plus a strong password so others can't join. Make sure to choose 4 GHz for range or 5 GHz for speed, and disable low-power modes so the hotspot stays active. You're ready to move to connecting the client device. Don't skip the SSID and password step, it's essential. On the client device, open Wi-Fi settings and pick the hotspot SSID you created. Enter the password exactly as typed, case matters. If you need faster throughput, make sure the client supports the chosen band, otherwise use 4 GHz for broader compatibility. Once connected, ensure the client is set to obtain an IP via DHCP. If you use a static IP, match the subnet and gateway from the hotspot. After authentication and IP assignment, test web access and data transfer to confirm the link. Finish by verifying internet access. Open a web page or run a quick speed test to confirm traffic flows through the hotspot. Make sure you lock down the connection. Limit the number of allowed devices, use WPA2 or WPA3 security, and set an inactivity timeout to protect data. If something goes wrong, one key troubleshooting step is to forget the hotspot on the client and restart both devices, then re-enable the hotspot. If problems continue, toggle airplane mode briefly or reset network settings as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.